Once upon a time in the heart of the African savanna, a sprawling landscape filled with the vibrant colors of nature, a unique gathering was about to unfold. The wise lion, known as the king of the jungle, had called for a grand meeting. The lion, with his brilliant mane shimmering under the sun, perched himself atop the highest rock. His roar echoed across the plains, a call that reached far and wide. First to arrive was the elephant, his towering frame creating a gentle rumble in the earth as he walked. The elephant was known for his great strength and memory, and today, he was eager to share stories of ancient times. Soon, the mighty gorilla joined them, bounding through the thicket with effortless grace. His quick mind and gentle heart always made him a favorite among the young animals. The gorilla's stories were always full of humor and lessons, teaching the others about courage and kindness. Hippos waddled out of the waterhole, playfully bobbing their heads. Though they appeared slow, they were very sharp thinkers and always had a knack for solving problems creatively. The hippos loved to chat and make friends, their laughs bouncing across the water. Finally, the elusive tiger slipped silently but confidently into the gathering. Known to be a great solitary wanderer, the tiger had traveled far and shared tales of the unknown places he had explored. Together, these animals took turns sharing stories, each story more thrilling than the last. As the sun began to set and the stars twinkled above, they knew their tales would inspire generations to come. This was no ordinary day. It was a day of unity and friendship. A day when the great and powerful from different corners of the wild came together, enjoying each other's company, learning from one another, and celebrating the magic of their world.